Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, everybody. Good morning, Sophia. Hi, Sakleen. Is there any other way people pronounce your name, Sakleen?
What?
No,
बहुत
that's not
ज़्यादा
going. Please.
Hello, ma'am.
Hi, Muni. I realized one thing.
What,
You hear
ma'am?
me?
What you realize?
My headphones are not connected. Boya.
And now I can.
Now I can listen to all of you.
Ma'am,
Hmm.
there is this new student in class, Curie, ma'am. Muhammad Ali. Ma'am, you also said name Muhammad Ali. You that only. Class.
Muhammad Ali and Mariam. There's also Amara.
You that
She's
only.
also my niece.
But she is not there.
No, she doesn't stay with me. She's in Navi Mumbai.
So,
But
ma'am, she is big.
no, she's same age. She's in grade 1, actually.
I thought something college.
I know that.
No,
And you were about to come, but you didn't come.
yes?
You were about to come, but you didn't come, right?
Right,
You are playing.
right, correct. I know.
No, no,
My
just
sisters told me that your children were waiting for you.
This question because
Sorry?
where you were sitting one time, Muhammad Ali was also sitting. Alfia and Muhammad Ali related.
Yes.
Question because where you were sitting one time, Muhammad Ali was also sitting.
Okay. So you know what? For this English class, you will need a notebook and a pencil. We'll do some writing work today. Come on,
ma'am.
let's get it.
So much writing work.
Yes. We have to start preparing now. Your English papers impressed me so much.
Yeah. It was so good that
So good, what?
it was so good that you were impressed.
Oh, that was sarcasm, Safia.
We got good marks, right?
Ma'am, what we are doing?
So in today's class, we are going to do one of the writing forms. Okay, we're going to try and focus on how we write.
Letter writing.
Yes, you guessed it.
Hello.
Why are you so smart, yeah?
Ma'am, you said writing forms, ma'am. Letter English में letter writing तो कराते हैं.
Okay. So, Mani, why do you think letter writing is important, especially in today's world where everything is online, you know?
Yeah,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Ma'am, politeness क्या भूल जाएंगे? Why is letter writing
What
important
happened?
in today's world? We have email. Forget the politeness.
Okay, so you think, right, Muni thinks letter writing is a skill that makes you polite. Okay, that is a polite way of communicating. Amina, you were saying something. I'm sorry.
Ma'am, I don't think letter writing is important in today's world because we have email.
Yes, ma'am.
Right. So you don't think it is important in today's world?
Ma'am, you know what is the difference?
And
In
ma'am, how much do I have to write?
you have a screen and you have a finger. Done.
Ma'am,
Yeah,
you
that's it.
said
That's the only difference. Very true, Munif. You know, actually, letter writing is more of a skill in today's world. It's no longer a way of or means of communication. It's become a skill. And trust me, letter writing is still valid is because even if the world is email and online stuff, you still need to know how to write. The format and the content remains the same. Okay, it's just, yes, the difference Munit said was only the screen and the finger. That's the only difference. It shifts
A
from paper
screen
to
and
pen
a
to
pencil.
screen to, you write on the screen with your pencil.
No, ma'am. There's some tabs which we can write. There's a that thing, and then we can type.
That's different. That's for graphic designers and stuff like that.
I have it in kind of tab.
Oh, by the way, Saklan, messenger pigeons were a breed of pigeons that had the capacity. Their brains would function. They had the mental capacity to actually understand and get trained. They have extinct. There are no messenger pigeons anymore.
And they say that there are some pigeons
they
here,
became lazy,
like
ma'am.
Saudi Arabia and those places.
No, no, I don't think there are any messenger pigeons because, as far as I know, I have read it online only that
Yeah,
messenger
ma'am.
pigeons are extinct. So, coming to communication, pigeons became lazy, yes, just like you and me, Saklan. All right. So, before I start, we will have a quick or a very short discussion, and you have to name few modern and olden means of communication. What is? Yeah. Come on. Hold on me. We'll start with the modern means of communication. Let's go ahead.
Call,
Mobile call, or red cellular call. Then
FaceTime,
FaceTime,
Mobile phone,
mobile phones, and all one thing. Okay. What else?
WhatsApp,
email,
Emails, very good.
WhatsApp,
WhatsApp, okay.
Facebook,
Instagram,
Facebook,
Instagram,
Instagram, all
social
right.
media,
Social media, all right. All Twitter, the Bird app. Okay, so
Zoom,
all,
Zoom,
yes.
Zoom.
Zoom is a modern means of communication. That's right, Saglan. Okay, so all these are modern
Google,
means of communication. Can you think of olden means of communication?
letter writing,
letters, and birds. Birds
Letters,
like
messenger
travel.
pigeons, all right.
Ma'am, leaves.
Leaves.
what?
I'm hearing it for the first time.
What?
You'll have to explain it. Yes.
Ma'am, they used to write on leaves when paper was not invented.
Ma'am,
Papyrus, you mean?
And they used to write on the
Dastakhat.
caves also, on the cave.
Cave, yes, that was the very first. The cave painting was the very first means of communication. All right, so they would plan their hunting strategies by painting it on the cave walls. That's how they communicated with each other.
Ma'am,
Any other thing? Now that we've gone to Stone Age, there are a lot of things you all can think of. Come on,
what is the meaning of dastakhat?
dastakhat means signature,
Oh, okay. So what is khat?
letter.
हाँ, so khat.
खत के ऊपर जब आप अपनी दस्ताक्षर देते हो उसे दस्तखत बोलते हो. A signed letter. मजा आया? All right. Yes. Can you name another olden means? I was very surprised when I read this. People used to communicate through the smokes of fire.
Yes, ma'am, that is true.
Yes, Munif, tell me
Yeah.
about it. Come on, tell everybody about
Walkie-talkie.
it.
Ma'am, they would burn different kind of things and talk.
Yes, that's right. So if the fire is emitting a lot of smoke, means the person is in danger. All
And
right.
then if it is emitting a little bit like come fast, I need something or like.
Yes, yes, yes. And somebody needs help and it's far, people are far off, so they would a small, like cylindrical fume of smoke would go about, and it means that the person needs help. All right.
Ma'am,
Yeah.
come around.
Ash, what is this, Munir? Amazing to cause you just randomly say answers and those are right. So in today's class, we are going to do letter writing. Now, I'll stop here. You tell me which are the types of letters. Come on. Everybody knows.
Formal, informal.
Formal and informal. Excellent. Who do we write formal letters to?
Man, to someone.
Elders.
All formal
Elders.
To business people and
teachers, managers, boss, all formal people.
Official people.
Yes.
I mean,
yes.
And
Elder
informal
also, ma'am.
people like friends, family.
Okay. Informal are for friends, families, peers, right? Your relatives. You write informal letters to. Now, why do we write formal letters and why do we write informal letters? Now, what I want you to do is, in your book, yes, 1 minute. In your book,
and nowadays people write.
look at me, I'm muted and I'm talking. In your book, take a fresh page. Write today's date, write letter writing.
Man,
Okay.
And let me
Make
get
a
my
table,
1 minute.
make a table and divide it into two, formal and informal.
Ma'am, 1 minute out of there.
actor. My actor comes in formal.
Who?
And if you and I
Actor?
don't want to write
Yes,
for actor,
yes.
but like
An
some
artist
kind of
would be
like
formal.
a
Yes.
footballer,
Formal.
fine. Any kind of famous person, formal.
Not necessary. Like if you are writing as a fan, then definitely it would be informal. If you are writing as somebody's assistant, suppose you are a manager of that footballer,
Huh.
you will write it as a formal letter. Depends on what you are to that person.
Okay.
I know.
1 minute, beta.
Ma'am, what's the difference in writing formal and informal? Both are the
It's,
same.
it's the
only, na?
use of register. Registers are words that define what you mean.
The same things only we have to write.
No,
Yes, ma'am. Dear and whatever you have to write.
no, the language is different. He's not attending the class. Where? Where? Okay. Who will answer this question?
Why are letters important?
Yup.
Ma'am,
In
because
olden times. Because
No,
this
no,
is
no.
our mobile.
Why is it important even today? Not very significant. I'm not saying you have to give me a reason as to why letters are significant and we have to do it. No. Why are they important? Like, apart from all the olden means of communication, why is it that letters still exist? We don't talk in smokes. We don't call out with
Not
different
a lot of people write letters.
hootings. Yes. Why? Why do you think do they write letters?
For emergency communication.
Emergency communication, I feel emails and WhatsApp messages are the fastest.
Secretive communication.
No, ma'am, but
Or if they want to go
internet is not
retro, if they
working.
want to have a retro feeling, then they do.
Okay, and by retro feeling, can we elaborate on that a little, Muni? Can you take that point further?
No, because many people.
saying because people are reading books. So
People
they
are?
love letters.
I'm sorry, I could not
People
get
are tired of reading books, so now they are reading letters.
you. People are tired of reading books. No, they are not, and therefore they read letters. I don't know. Yes, can we take Avana's retro point a little further? Somebody.
What
Yes?
is retro?
To collect stamps.
To collect stamps. That's the reason they write
Old
letters.
people write letters.
Okay, that's amazing. Only old people write letters. All right, let me give
No,
you.
but like
Yes.
if people do not write emails, they're tired of writing emails every time, and they want to try something new, and they write letters instead.
All right.
Ma'am,
Anything else you can think of?
because
Okay,
many
let me ask you
I
a
guess
question. Let me
many
ask you a
people
question.
they don't use that social media and they're really busy so they can't watch, so that's why we write letters so that they can read, because like a footballer they won't see the email every time on the phone, so they have letters, we write letters so that they can see.
Okay,
Someone
true.
away from the phone.
To keep someone away from the phone.
It's
Write
so bright.
letters to me, please. I need that. All right. Have you ever received a letter?
Yes, from my
My
cousin.
sister,
Amina has received a letter from her cousin. Saklan, have you received a letter?
Leaving letter?
No, just a letter from somebody.
No.
A handwritten letter. How many of you all have
Ah,
received handwritten
yes.
letter?
In classes, ma'am.
You received it from your sister. Okay.
Not sister. I
Then
said classmates.
classmates. Your classmates wrote letter to you?
And when teacher don't allow us to talk, no, so we write on chits and give to us.
Oh, Saklan is talking about that. Those
And
letters.
one more reason why people write letters like school letters, suspension letters.
Yes, that's true. So it's like though we have advanced in technology, the means that we are following in our community, in our society, are still the olden ones. Okay, so if you
ma'am, in
want,
olden time they see write letters like because there was no phone and everything, so that's
right,
why they used to write
and
letters.
even today, if you have to approach somebody formally, the first thing they ask you, ma'am, sir, please write an application for that. Whatever you have requested to your organization or an institute, they'll say, put it in an application. Okay, that application basically means a letter. Push.
That's why we are learning letters.
Yes. And in order for you to get into good universities, you need to learn how to write best letters. All right, the application letters, those are the formals one. In today's class we are going to do informal one. Okay, Amina, coming back to you, when you received that handwritten letter from your cousin, how did you feel?
Man,
I
you felt
feel
like
excited because I wanted to open and read it.
Yes, okay, you felt excited. Amina, somewhere don't you think you also felt happy?
My
Give me a
sister
minute.
got an email letter
Yes, I felt happy.
from Bill Bryson. He wrote it. My father wrote it, so he got.
Yes, I know, right?
Julia was not me.
All right, so Amina was excited, she was happy. Then when you read the letter, what happened?
It was actually a reply letter because I had also written a letter and then she was.
Oh, you initiated. Oh my God, that's lovely. That's amazing. You know, the excitement is one of the factors. I love writing and receiving letters. I've written during my school time, I used to write letters to my friends all the time because somewhere I feel that you cannot express your true feelings when it comes to spoken language, you know. And I was much of a writer, so when I write, it is I pour my heart out. So you may not find me able to, like, you know, speak my speaking skills, maybe not now, then I'm
Yeah,
talking
yeah,
about when I
ma'am.
was a student. So that time I wouldn't be able to talk much, so I would write it down to them, and I would receive letters from them too. And we, you know, during our time we had these full-scape papers. They used to come like literally bigger than the A4 size papers, and we used to write those full-scape papers. We used to fill it, and it would be 2-3 pages that way. So it's fun. Okay,
so, man.
what was the letter about, Amina? You are the only one who's got a letter. So what was
It
the
was
letter
just
about?
about like how you're doing. It was not anything.
Checking up on somebody.
Huh?
That's good. Did you keep the letter that to share again? Like, did you still have her letter?
No, I don't. It was in 2018.
That's just 2 years back. Okay,
My daddy keeps a letter whichever I receive.
all right. Now, different types of letters. Now, you see, like Mudabir said, there are stamps. This is the envelope, how the envelope looks. It has an address, okay? And
Ma'am,
people
we
send
use
letters
letters
for
to write the address.
different reasons. Yes. So what are the reasons, do you think, coming back now, the reason I made you make those table is that we are going to write the reason as to why we write a formal letter and why we write an informal letter. All right, So you tell me, what do you think are the reasons as to why people write letters? Formal, informal, any.
Get their feelings out.
If you are writing an informal letter, it
Someone
may
is
be to
scared.
share feelings. Very good.
If someone is scared to talk,
If someone is too scared to talk,
हाँ मैम लोग होते हैं ऐसे भी.
definitely. You know what? I We had a story in Hindi. I still remember that very clearly. There was this writer who respected his older brother so much that in olden times, like people who are elder to you means if they are older to you, you have to respect them. Okay, no logic behind it why you should respect them, but you have to respect them. So, so people in the olden times were so scared to approach their elders, like they were not very approachable. That even a brother would write a letter to the brother,
Yeah, yeah.
and the letter, trust me, had all good feelings, no ill feelings, like you are unapproachable and you are older
I
to
mean,
me and you
olden
keep
times.
on acting and bossing around.
हम इतना डरते थे.
Yes, I don't know, it was out of respect, they say, which I never understood why. If you respect and love somebody, then what's the purpose? I don't get it.
If you respect someone, then why are you scared of?
Exactly. So that story stuck to my mind, because I still can't understand why would a brother write a letter to the brother telling him that he respects him. Still a mystery.
Ma'am, remove the magnet.
Remove the what?
Ma'am, it is stuck on your head, no? So you can just remove the magnet.
I am not going to answer that. All right. So formal letters, spend of people you don't know, you can send for different way. We are not going to go in that. All right. Let's do this small activity and then we go ahead and write something. Okay. Let's get started.
Georgia. Now, who's Georgia? I read in that Dale Carnegie thingy, but I still don't know who he is.
Okay. You read this and tell me whether
That
it's a
Daddy
formal or
Bear.
an informal letter.
Ma'am, what is it right dear Daddy Bear?
Goldilocks.
Not a bear.
Look at the letter. Yes, Saklan, that's taken from the Goldilocks. So a fairy tale doesn't have to be a fairy tale, it can be converted into a letter. Just tell me whether it's a formal or an informal letter.
Ma'am, this story has little ulta pulta thing.
It is formal.
Very good, Saklan. It's a formal letter.
Formal letter, ma'am. If it would not be formal,
Yes, and it's a letter of complaint.
Goldilocks, that.
Yes. So the Goldilocks is complaining to the father bear, and it's a letter of complaint, and it's a formal letter. How about this?
Dear Daisy. Ma'am, informal.
Informal.
Very good, Safia. It's an informal letter. It's in the form of a postcard. Dear Santa.
Formal, ma'am.
Ma'am, formal. Santa को कोई informal लिख नहीं सकता.
Look at the format.
Which Santa gave me this gift?
It's formal or informal?
The answer लिखाना है.
Ma'am, it's
Formal, because they want to
informal.
behave good in front
Ma'am.
of Santa to get their present.
I mean, it's informal.
Avana says it's formal, Saklan. Why do you say it's informal?
Ma'am, see, I couldn't.
So?
You should have used I could not.
Oh, smart. It's a thank you letter, an informal one. All right. How about this?
Ma'am, formal.
Formal.
It's
Why,
formal, they're
Safia?
writing to mommy. They're writing to their mom.
Formal.
Why is it formal, Muneem? It's written Mummy Bear.
Ma'am, because I am writing you to inform. Itna so formal. It is formal.
Okay, now you're getting what registers are. That's amazing. So registers are words that are used in different contexts and situations. Okay, and there are formal and informal registers. So it's a letter of appointment.
Letter.
Formal. Yes, that's right. How about this?
Dear Gran. Ma'am, who's Gran?
Grandma.
Informal, because informal letters starting of how are you? Mom told me you haven't.
Right, right,
No
right.
speaking, no full stop, nothing.
So it's a way of finding out how the person is doing. Yes, so it's an informal letter. All right.
Blah blah.
Now we'll come back to
The
some
letter.
business.
What we are selling?
So we are writing as to why we write formal and informal letter. These are the reasons. Chalo bhai, slide number 2.
No, only 4 slides, right? Thank you.
So chota chota.
All right.
Voila.
The very first reason as to why you write a formal letter is to invite somebody. Okay, maybe
Footballer.
it's an event. Yeah, it's an event where you want to make someone feel special about an upcoming event. So you are writing an invitation. So letter of invitation are usually formal. Write it down. That's the first thing.
Okay.
So again, I don't see you writing.
Ma'am, my line is thoda
That
ulta
did not
pulta
mean
that's
again
fine.
I don't want to see you.
I was disconnected.
I want to see. Oh my God, lies right on the face. Okay. Humaira Ahmed, are you writing? Or Ahmed is fast asleep?
Done.
Okay. Second is letter of application. Suppose you're applying for a job per se, or you want some of your work to get done. Okay, so that is a letter of application. You write to a professional. You write a professional letter of application for a job or a group you wish to join in.
Okay.
You also write letter of applications to universities.
Then
Then we have
the
referee or
referee.
reference.
Acha.
Okay, so for example, if you're applying for universities abroad as a student, okay, and they say get a letter
Huh?
of reference. So you come to your mentors, you come back to your mentors and you tell them that I need a letter of reference, wherein you write, the mentor will write about all the good skills and the good stuff that you've done throughout your primary schooling. Okay, so that is how you vouch for basically praising or telling good things about someone's skill, personality and credibility. So that's letter of referee and reference. Oops.
Ma'am, what's the fourth point? What's the fourth point?
Fourth is the letter of acceptance and rejection. Now suppose you are the boss or the in charge, or you're in the HR department of your community, and letter stating that we would like to appoint you, you sent in an offer letter, or you send a rejection letter to somebody that we hope you get a good company, your skills don't match up to the ones that we are looking for, and stuff like that. So you approve or deny an applicant in a professional manner. That's letter of acceptance and rejection. Last is make an
Ma'am,
offer.
I have a
Okay.
question. I have a riddle for you, or maybe just a simple question.
Go ahead.
Ma'am, there is this something when we insert the plug. What is it called?
Sorry.
Ma'am, see, when we insert a plug for charging phone or something, what is that part called?
Socket.
A plug for charging phone or something, what is that
What?
part called? Mustiras.
she asked she asked you to ask me, or she asked you and therefore you're asking me?
Ma'am, it is in her class only.
Right. Science, right? They are learning about. electric circuit. It's called the plug and socket, right? Am I right? I don't know. I call it socket. All right. Are you done? Perfect. So quickly, who will tell me why do we write in formal letters? And Farhana will just doze off anytime now. She's like, yes,
Ma'am, me.
yes, Satya.
Invitation.
Okay,
We write-
to invite somebody.
Yeah. Application. Then
Perfect.
we write it for reference.
Excellent.
And then we write it for acceptance or rejection.
Very good.
And then we write it for make an offer. To make an offer.
Lovely. All right. Oh, the last one. So you always wanted to be part of something and now you want to move, you want to get out of it. So what do? You write an exit letter or you write a resignation letter?
Resignation letter.
Yes, usually the professionals who want to leave one organization and move on to the other one, or just leave and start up something of their own, they write and formally they tell the organization that we no longer want to be associated with you in a very professional manner. So they formally leave or step down in a professional and dignified manner. That's called the resignation letter or the letter of resignation.
Ma'am, what comes under informal letter?
All right, now that we've exited and resigned from the formal letter, let's move on to the informal letter. All right, the very first is showing gratitude or being thankful. All right, so you let somebody know that you appreciate the effort and you write a letter of gratification or a thank you letter. Have you written a thank you letter?
Yep.
Yes. In Teachers' Day, ma'am.
On Teachers' Day, you've written a thank you letter to your teachers. That's amazing. Okay, what else? Sagna ne sir pakada. Kya bola ma'am? What you're saying? That was a thank you speech, Sakla.
And letters, speech. We are expressing
Who
it
are
as
y'all?
informal
Who are
letter.
y'all grateful to?
Great.
Apart from this letter and stuff, just a random question. Is there anybody who you are thankful to in your life?
Teachers and parents and cousins and sisters, family members, and
Okay. So Sagla named everything for everybody. What else?
God.
Anybody else apart from teachers, parents?
God.
You should be thankful to them too. God, okay.
God.
Uh,
The prophet.
okay. Yes. Munib, you were saying, I want to listen to your answer. Friends, yes. It's very, very important to let your friends know that you are grateful and you feel appreciated around them. Therefore, you need to appreciate their efforts.
Our country.
Yes? Next. Munib is like, अब और किसको thank you नहीं बोलना है. Let's go. Congratulations, Munib. You are acknowledging someone's achievement and you congratulate them. All right. So if Munib gets a Padma Shri award for his work,
For his football work.
oh yes, or if Munib's football team,
The invitation cannot come in an informal letter. It has to.
invitation can also come in. But then why would people like you are related?
Like a birthday party or
Just
something.
call them up or
Ma'am, that too you also made us right.
really I did.
Ah,
I don't remember. What cruel stuff I've done.
Then you made us also write an answer.
Oh my god. The
What?
sins I've done.
Forgive you because that was DPWS. This is only.
Oh my god. Thank you for understanding, Munib. I'm going to write a letter of thank you to you now, Munib.
Ma'am, me also.
Okay,
ma'am,
you
each
too.
one of us, ma'am, and different.
Okay,
Yes.
you want me to? All right, let's do that.
And ma'am, don't be smart. Just write one and Xerox it and then.
No, 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 no. Muni, when it comes to writing letters, I'm very passionate about it. You don't have to worry.
Okay.
But you all have to send me your addresses because then how am I going to post it?
Ma'am, you know my address. You just have to
I am in
follow
India.
this address.
No, Sagren, you're in my heart.
Ma'am, congratulations. हो गया अभी आगे.
Okay, congratulations. Let's go. That's a fun idea, yeah. See, this is why I like
Grievance.
Mandalas.
Lost, ma'am. We lost.
Gosh, what a loss. So when you come across some bad news about somebody or any mishap happened to someone, you write a letter of grievance. Okay, sending your condolences to that person.
I text for this. Like that.
Ma'am, next.
Next, yes, sir.
Friendship.
Friendship and love. You tell someone how much they are to you, how much what,
Action.
how special they are to you, and why.
And we just have to write in a big letter.
Azam is grinning.
It's like I love you, and then
I love you.
Then-
Yes, I love you
and
too.
then send a letter. And you
That's
wrap
it.
and roll it. Yeah.
Love letters will have only I love you.
Yes, ma'am.
Too bad.
And ma'am, why should we write so big?
You are such a lazy lover. Don't talk to me. I hope you write good friendship letters, please.
Yes, ma'am.
Then you be my friend.
Ma'am, if
Yes.
Ma'am,
some
she'll
person is
write, I'm
writing-
happy to be your friend. Thank you for becoming my friend. And she'll roll the letter and give it.
Oh no. That's so bad.
Ma'am, if you're very tired, so then if you have to write a letter to someone, if your mother says to write a letter,
No, the best part about informal letters are you can write whatever you're feeling at that time. Like suppose you're feeling like, by the way, this letter is making me tired. Like, you know, it is a fun factor. Not necessarily your informal letters have to be very emotional and sentimental. Bro, we used to crack jokes.
ma'am, from heart
Ma'am,
to heart, a
friendship
letter.
बहुत हो गई. Next.
Next.
The person will
Letter to
put away.
self.
Yeah.
Very, very important.
No,
One of the
ma'am.
most significant informal letters. And I feel everybody in their life once should do it. And there is Farhana showing her perspective, very long point of view.
Ah.
Okay, how about we try this letter to self? See, you can
No,
either
no.
write it to your younger self, which I feel you shouldn't. Write it to your older self. You guys should write it to your older self.
What do you mean older self and younger self?
So, Simri, right now you are in your teens, all right?
तो मतलब future खुद को लिखो.
Write a letter to Munib in his 30s. Okay? That's how it's supposed to be.
Ma'am, are you taking the fitness also?
Ah, take it.
No. Why should I take fitness? Get fit, not fat.
Ma'am, I always get
You have to do.
We always go down. Play. That's why.
No.
Ma'am, I already wrote a letter to self. Now next future.
Now, informational update.
Okay,
ऐसी
future update.
इधर उधर की बातें. This letter is called इधर उधर की
Like how
बातें.
you're doing and all. And
Yes, all the time.
gossiping also.
Gossips, yes, you send your latest gossips through this informal letter. Amina, such a smart girl.
Chat.
Chit chatting.
Ma'am, that we can do in WhatsApp also. Oh,
Aish, letter is fun.
I know I'm writing. Then what if they don't reply? So that's their problem.
And they're so mean, yeah. I would really
Ma'am, the
love
letter
to have
should be so
reply.
emotional and so nice that the other person should feel like so good. If you just you write something like anything and you send it to them, they will say, "Arey, kita bakwas ho raha hai," they throw it away. That hard to write.
Safia, would you do that if you receive a letter?
No, I won't.
Thank you.
My daddy would keep it. Arey, that letter has got it from someone. So you should keep the letter. My daddy would keep it.
How sweet is your daddy? That's so good.
I know, mom.
Okay, Let's go.
I
Now
have one letter.
you can, now when it comes to both the letters, formal and informal, it's not that you can haphazardly write whatever you wish to. All right, there's a way in which the letters are
Hello.
written. In this class, like I said, we are going to emphasize more on the informal letter type. Okay. No.
She's got the formal.
You look at this. Look at your hand.
Hello.
Hello.
I am Sophia, like that.
Oh, no. We know who you are. So over here, as you can see, will be your address. You are the writer of the letter. All right. So it's going to be your address, writer's address on the right hand side, along with the date. Leave a line.
Ma'am, you have to write this.
Yes.
Ma?
Do you? No, you don't have to write this. Sorry. No. We'll directly frame a letter. Don't worry. Okay.
That's
So here comes your address, and then you leave a line and you
then-
write the date. The
What
date
is the
on which
recipient name?
you are writing the letter. Okay. Recipient's name is somebody who you are writing the letter to. Okay. Writer of the letter is you, and the receiver of the letter will be the
Dear
recipient.
recipient.
Yes. So dear whoever, like if I'm writing a letter to Saklan, I'll say dear Lama. Then you then in the very first line you do the introduction. All right. Introduction could be anything very basic, like
How are you?
Yes, Munib.
Why do we not write introduction in your address?
Introduction in the address. In the address you would want to write how are you doing, hope you are doing well. You need address.
I remember introduction of self-introduction, no?
No. This is an informal letter. Why would you introduce yourself? Informal letter is written to somebody who you're very closely related to. Okay, not an unknown person.
Okay, understood that.
Yeah. Informal. Relatives ko likh rahe. All right. So you are introducing, you are asking of their health, you're telling them about yourself that I'm doing fine, been a little busy with work, but everything's good. Okay. So that's it. In 1 or 2 lines, you finish it off. Then comes
Ma'am,
the
I have
body
a
of the
doubt.
letter where you are actually sharing your thoughts, your ideas, and whatever things you've been experiencing. If it is emotional turmoil which you want to share with somebody, then you mention that incident. Okay. So it can be lengthy. You're too lazy, it can be short. Depends totally on the writer. Okay. Then very briefly you will conclude. In the conclusion you will say, you will ask questions that will help the reader to send you a reply back. Okay. Like you can ask what is going on in with your life. Like, I just shared about mine. How about you? I hope everything is fine on your side, or give my regards to
Ma'am,
your
I
parents
have a
and
question.
family. Go ahead.
I have a question. If you had the chance to write a formal letter, who would you write to?
Informal letter.
Formal.
Jungkook.
Formal letter.
Prime Minister.
No. I would write an formal letter to this person who I really want to. So there's this professor in South India who I want to connect to. I would write a formal letter to that person.
Ma'am,
For what purposes, I don't want to tell you. But I really wish
love
to
it.
correspond with that person.
Correspond means
Talk to. Have communication with.
also have sometimes.
Okay. Now, then after your concluding paragraph comes in your salutations. Okay. So, like how wherever you come to somebody's house, you say hi, hello, whatever salams you convey your regards. While leaving, also you're like, "Achha chalta hu, dua mein yaad rakhna." Okay. So that part of your communication is also applied in the letter, where you're giving salutations to somebody and saying yours sincerely or yours lovingly, and then you write your name. Okay. Do not write XYZ. You write your name. During our times, we would always, whenever the teachers used to teach us letter writing, they would say, okay, dear so and so, you write your informal letter completely, yours lovingly, comma, XYZ. That was my name throughout my school years. X, Y, Z. Okay, so we don't do that.
Ma'am,
We write our own names. Is there any question? Ask me
ma'am,
two questions
not
related to
question.
the
I
format
want
of
to
the
tell
letter.
you
Come on.
something. This letter is to a man in olden times.
Is this to a man in olden times? No,
Check
no,
the
we don't know. This is
salutation.
just a
Check the
template of letter.
salutation.
Salutation.
Saluation. In the letter.
Salutation, yours sincerely, faithfully, truly, your son, wife, friend. These are options given to the salutation.
But still.
All right, Munib. You have asked me two questions related to this. Come on. Am I so amazing?
Related to what?
Related to the format, do you have any questions for me?
Well, he explained
Fine.
it in such a wonderful way.
Okay, then let's get to work. Let's get to work, children. What's the time? Oh my god.
Ma'am, many
5
questions
minutes to
we
go.
have.
43, ma'am.
Am I audible?
Go ahead. Ask.
Yes, you.
Ha 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 ha. No.
Then
No, you're not.
okay.
It's telepathy. You will not understand. Even if you don't speak, I know what you're trying to say. All right, let's get to work then. I have a template of the informal letter. The next session.
Sorry, ma'am, I see this is a wonderful conversation you're having. Take till 12, it's okay. We'll give a break and then I'll talk to them. 12:15. There's no fitness today.
Yes! They were asking me, sir, whether there's fitness. I was like, no,
really
you have
trying
to be
to
fit.
avoid fitness now. Sorry, I'm barging in your session. It's a lovely session. I think it's a wonderful program, this particular template that you're teaching them. So go ahead. They have a lot of, Farhana said they have a lot of questions. I'll log out. But all of you join by 12:15. So I can speak to you about our plans for the next week.
Okay.
All right.
You mean the message?
Particular template that you're teaching them.
Ma'am,
Message?
there was a message on Mandela. Ma'am,
Really?
it was about
Okay, I did not check my phone.
something and I love it.
Ah, right. Good. You should definitely look forward to it, Okay. So this is the template that we are going to follow. Now we'll get writing with the letter. And as we write, we are going to structure it. Do not write letter on your own. I'm there. Don't worry. Okay. Now
We're writing now.
we are going to complete the letter in 20 minutes. Watch me.
Ma'am, I have a question.
What? Yes, go ahead.
Ma'am, every year, why does this?
Now Mazhab has decided I don't want to write. Let me waste time. I
No,
have a
ma'am.
question. Go ahead.
No, it's not like that.
Yes.
Every year, why does the place of the writer's address change? Last year, we used to write it in the left side. Now you will tell us to write in the right side. Why does this
That's
always
because
happen, ma'am?
that depends upon the board that you choose.
What?
If you ask me related to life, if you want to know what is the actual format of the letter, there are multiple formats of the letter. If you want to write it on the left, you write it on the left. You want to write it on the right, you write it on the right.
And we can make our own formats also.
No.
And if you don't want to write, then don't write.
You can't do that to the film. You can definitely put it on the left or right. It doesn't matter. It totally depends. This structure depends upon the board pattern that we are
Can
following.
we put it in middle?
That's your format.
Arey,
Oh,
don't put
no.
me.
Definitely not.
Should I pause the recording?
Why?
Remember,
Let it go. And Savya, why have you become aparichit?
Pause the recording. We don't write.
He writes.
We don't.
He
Arey, ma'am.
writes. Okay. Now here is your question.
of writing.
Alfia, ma'am.
Yeah.
Because we're just writing.
Write
Nothing else.
today and write in the next session.
Okay, we'll write it in the next session, but let us write the pointers at least for what we're going to write the letter.
No
Okay.
homework.
No. It's weekend. I'm not going to give you homework. Don't worry.
Thank you, ma'am.
Actually, I was supposed to give you. No, but I'm not giving. Listen to me. Oh my God, y'all don't listen. I'm not giving. I was supposed to, but I'm planning not to give you homework. Next week, hopefully, I'll post terminal questions based on Shoe Shine, the chapter Shoe Shine. I'm going to put in notes. So read the notes and then answer.
Ma'am, what are terminal questions?
It's like back of the textbook question. And you have to frame answers on your own.
Short question answers.
Short and long both. Okay. Imagine you are the young man. Young man, who young man?
That shoe shine.
Youth.
Yes. No, I'm not the young man. How mean? Why are you calling me young man? Okay.
Young
Write a
lady.
letter to your brother back in Kolkata describing your experiences in Delhi. Let's discuss
Ma'am, I
the
don't have a
experiences in Delhi. Okay, we do not write, we discuss the experiences in Delhi. Go ahead, now you talk. Because if you don't talk, then we write.
Okay,
Taj
ma'am.
Mahal is very.
First, we'll write our address.
Yeah. What address do you think we should write? Go ahead with. Come on, frame one address.
Golden Sparrow, we work.
11th floor, 3rd
Delhi
street.
mein?
Taj Mahal.
Taj Mahal is in Delhi.
I remember the white one.
There's only one Taj Mahal, by the way, and it is white. The white one, matlab, there are multiple rainbow colored Taj Mahals. What you're talking about?
Ma'am, I cannot hear you.
Why can't you hear me?
Ma'am,
this
ma'am, but
is
you have to write our address, na?
Ma'am.
Yes.
So why should we write Delhi ka address?
No. But right now, Farhana, you are the young man who's in
Ma'am.
Delhi. And you are writing a letter to your brother in Kolkata. See, your brother is right in Kolkata
Mandela
over there.
Golden Sparrow. Dear brother, whatever the brother's name is.
Ma'am, Humayun's tomb.
Find over here.
Humayun's Stone. Amina quickly Googled it. Like, perfect. Give me informal addresses for Google. Give me informal addresses for Delhi. There it is. Humayun's Stone. Okay, go ahead.
Okay, then date is today's date 27/11/2020.
That's it. Humayun's Stone. That's it.
Yes, ma'am.
No, that's not how addresses are written.
Humayun Dome, Golden Sparrow, Mandela.
We enjoyed visiting Agra and Taj Mahal. Taj Mahal in Agra.
18.
Yes, that's our introduction.
Ma'am, we don't know anything about Delhi and you are telling to write address.
Delhi, good.
Okay, fine. Write your own address and show me. Come on.
Tri-City Palace.
Ma'am, now she doesn't need to write a letter
Globe.
because I'm right beside her.
Dress,
So,
Navi Mumbai.
no, not you.
I know, ma'am. See,
She's not writing letters to you, Abdullah.
Earth, then Asia, India, Maharashtra, Navi Mumbai, Ulve, Sector 19, plot number 206, 4th floor, room, hall room, bedroom.
Go ahead.
Khatam, abhi kya?
Write your addresses over here. Come on.
Annotate time.
Yes. Type it out. Huh?
Take
Like, for
room
example,
number.
my address would be
Room. Arey ma'am, it's not working. I
Ma'am,
don't
what
know
is
why.
that A?
A wing. A102.
Ma'am, I don't know which wing do
Ma'am,
I
is that
live
your
in.
address?
Ma'am, I don't know which wing do I live in.
Mira Bhayandar Road.
First of all.
Overpowered. Shamar.
Overpowered, nahi, opposite.
Okay. Yes.
Oh, where's 7 half? It is 701. Ma'am, my building's name is very big.
Yeah, I know, right?
Yes. What is this?
What is today's date?
Arey ma'am. Ma'am went away.
What did I write? 27th November, right?
Ma'am. Ma'am went away. I don't know why.
No, it's there. It's there.
It's under you.
It,
Oh, that's hard. Whatever.
No, so Safia, you'll write Tri-City, Palacia, 701. Or you will
Then
just start with 701 Tri-City, Palacia. Palacia, whatever you call it.
5. Okay, no.
So this
Ma'am,
is
can
how
you
our
write it
address
for
is
me?
rated.
Ma'am, can you write it for me?
Yeah.
Huh. Room number 701, Tri-City, Palacia. Then building name, okay? Then plot number 5.
1 minute. I have an address to correct. 1 minute. So this address will be
I have Pragati.
Karsh. Or it will be 402 Pragati Karsh.
Oh, what is Pragati first?
That's a Glen's building. Um, Plot 206, Sector 19.
The plot and flat are same.
No,
Plot means adda.
yeah, right. Ulve Bahal. And then you go down and you write. Oh God,
Done,
Mumbai.
ma'am.
There's no postal code, Saklan?
401206. 401206.
I was writing, you just put your
Where will the postal code Navi Mumbai के बाद आएगा ना postal code definitely. 40.
1206.
सही है ना?
mine.
So Saklan, this is how your formal, your address should look like. Anywhere you use your address, this is how it should be. This is the
Ma'am,
format.
mine.
Mine address.
Yeah, coming one.
Room number 701.
Saklan, can I move this, the blue one?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Room number 701.
Navi Mumbai will not come first. So Munib, I'll just write a correct address over here for you. Okay. Kalpatru Corporation Housing Society.
Kalpatra Chess.
Chesney Corporation Housing Society.
Yes.
CHS. Chess. Oh my God, Saglit, you're a funny guy.
Guy.
Yeah,
Guy.
a boy.
Ma'am, he is
Ah.
not.
Moo. Whenever somebody says you're a funny guy or anything, moo. Okay. Stop. Ground floor. Flat number 2. Flat number 2.
Yes, stop the recording.
What is Gurudwara? What Gurudwara is?
The recording, so we can start again, please. So it's easier for you. Yeah. Safia, you're the host, I guess. Okay, you can undo the recording. How are you? You need a break, everybody. Please get up, drink some glass of water, and come back. Yeah.
No.
And Safia, can you, as I said, you stop the recording, please.
I already stopped it for 10
Okay.
minutes.
Acha, okay. So now there's a new recording that's going on.
Yeah.
Okay. All right. But why the new 10 minutes that you started? Okay. Everyone in, you want to take a break? I think it's better you come back in 5 minutes. Is that okay, everybody? Yeah, we'll end the class. Is it fine? Just go get some water and all. Safia,
I
please.
don't end the class. Let it be like
No.
this.
Class, only then you get up. So everybody has to get up and come back exactly. It's 12. What's the time now? It's 12:13. Just come back in
12:17.
12:17. You all will be joining in. Safia, please stop the class and we'll end it.